India, a rich country full of poor people. Along with the abundance of resources on one hand, India is cursed with abject poverty and unemployment. Where does it all begin? What is it that shapes a person? His skills, his attitude, his character, integrity. And the answer lies in two places: home and school. The school for acquiring knowledge and building character. This is the prime function of every school. The famous author Mark Twain once said, "Every time you stop a school, you will have to build a jail." That brings us to this fundamental thing called education.
Welcome to the school, Bharat Vidyalaya, which is situated in a village, Shahabad, in the district of Satara in India. The school actual building that you see here was constructed about 4 years ago, but the school was working in small dilapidated room, firstly in the city, then in the farmer's house that we inherited when we bought the piece of land and started construction. The aims and objectives of the school, like any other school, should be to produce citizens of this country who not only remain the citizens of this country, but are ready to be the citizens of the world tomorrow. And how do you train or educate the children to become such ideal citizens of the world tomorrow? Here is an experience that you can experience of an experiment that we have been carrying out for the last 5 years. Welcome once again. Please enter the school and see all the theories which are being used in practice. You will enjoy this. Thank you.
Bharat Vidyalaya, a one-of-its-kind school aiming to provide quality education only for the underprivileged. It has 100% of the students falling below the poverty line, having migrated labourers as parents, and from families living a hand-to-mouth existence, and over 70% students being first-generation learners in their families. At Bharat Vidyalaya, no tuition fees are charged as parents cannot afford. We at Bharat Vidyalaya don't believe in teaching. We don't teach. Children learn, and on their own. We only provide a conducive environment to inquire and search on their own and learn. And the teachers are simply facilitators, like a mother who just holds your hand and helps you get up when you fall. Learning is made natural, easy and fun by exciting the curiosity and providing real-life experiences. Emphasis is laid on what the children want to learn and choose to learn as per their capacity of learning. There is no learning by rote or under duress. Children have the freedom to learn in a relaxed manner, which gives them immense happiness and inspires them to continue learning. At Bharat Vidyalaya, we do not punish children. Corporal punishment is out of the question. Even reprimanding a child is done in a very rare and understanding manner. It is a known fact that development in children, both physical and mental, is very fast up to 10 years of age. So, the learning program for our students is designed in such a manner that in the early years, we focus on the readiness activities of the students for languages, along with emphasis on physical activities. After every 2 learning sessions, children enjoy physical activity in a break of around 15 minutes. What's more, our classrooms do not have desks. This allows free movement of the children, which ensures development of brain. There is no conventional pattern of study. Instead, collaborative learning is encouraged, where children learn by doing activities together, communicating effectively, and thus learning to overcome difficulties and problems. Students are not restricted to one particular level. Their academic grade depends totally on their learning capacity, since each child is unique and has an individual pace of learning. Experiential learning is promoted through field trips for all grades, after which they are encouraged to express their observations in their own words. We adopt a holistic teaching method where subjects blend into one another easily, be it math, science, or humanities. Curriculum is woven around a theme. As the grade progresses, levels of themes get difficult, and students learn by hands-on experience. Classroom learning is only up to grade 4. Thereafter, from middle school, children have what is called learning labs, where they go and take up activities and learn by themselves rather than being taught. There are facilitators who help them with their activities and guide them through. Subjects like history and geography are also learned through activity. There are no exams, no comparisons between students, and no structured assessment as such. Instead, children are observed and evaluated continually, and complete records are maintained for each of them. Nurturing of their creativity is encouraged through music, art, craft, and gardening, which make learning a very enjoyable experience. No wonder our student attendance is almost 100% consistently day after day.
You have so far heard what this school is all about. We want to bring it to your attention that the only examination which is conducted by the state government, which is independent of all other exams, is the scholarship examination for the 4th standard. And so far, 3 batches have appeared for the 4th standard scholarship examination, and all of them have passed 100%. This we have proved for the last 3 years. We want to prove it for next 2 more years. That will give us enough statistical data to prove that this system works. Then the second aim of the school is to go to the 10th standard, which is the high school graduation. There also we will conduct these examinations and appear for these examinations for 5 years. After that, we will have enough statistical data to prove that this type of education really brings out the best in the kids, and they can be really the future generation of this country or any country wherever such school exists.
Inculcating strong values of character and integrity, judging between right and wrong, having social sensitivity, and being able to coexist peacefully are some of the invaluable lessons acquired here. Every student at Bharat Vidyalaya is from an underprivileged family. Yet, parents are very forthcoming and proactive, taking keen interest in their child's progress and are happy to see the change in them. It is therefore our endeavour to make them capable of earning a livelihood after they complete their education. With this in mind, various learning and skill development programs are introduced right from middle school to make them eligible for employment. An industry expert expresses his views on what an employer looks for in any candidate who is seeking for job.
Good character and right behaviors are very important for both employee and employer to be successful in industry. The minimum critical behaviors for an employee or employer to be successful in industry are ability to take moderate risk, to work in teams, to take time pressures, and to do the analysis of a problem to the level of detail so that the analysis is good enough.
Education is the only key to eradicate poverty. And it is evident that every student who is thus educated automatically helps his entire family to grow and develop. Thus, step by step, every year, we endeavor to help more families to come out of drudgery of poverty. Extending a helping hand towards this cause only means helping sustained growth and ensuring a steady livelihood for them. To experience this miraculous transformation, we invite you to visit our premises and be a part of this noble cause. For more details, visit our website.